Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to talk about a simple idea that has the power to change your life. The title of today's video is Success is a Habit. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Why do some people reach their goals while others keep trying but never seem to move forward? Is it because they are smarter? Is it because they are luckier? The answer may surprise you. Success is not about luck, talent, or money. Success is about the small things you do every single day. If you stay with me until the end of this video, you will learn how this one idea can help you become more successful and also help you speak English with more confidence and fluency. Many people believe that success happens overnight. They look at successful people and think they are lucky or they have a special gift. But the truth is very different. Behind every successful person are hundreds of small actions that nobody sees. They wake up early, they keep learning, they practice their skills, and they never stop improving. They understand that success is not one big moment. It is built one day at a time. Now let's think about English learning. Many people dream of speaking English fluently, but they often ask, what is the fastest way to become fluent? The truth is that there is no secret shortcut. Fluency is not something you buy, and it is not something that happens by accident. Fluency is a daily habit. If you practice English for just 15 or 20 minutes every day, you will improve much more than someone who studies for 5 hours only once a week. Your brain learns best through regular practice. Every day you listen to English, read English, speak English, or learn new words, your mind becomes more comfortable with the language. That is how real progress happens. Think about athletes, musicians, or great writers. They did not become excellent because they practiced once in a while. They became great because they practiced every single day. The same rule applies to English. If you want to speak naturally, you must use English regularly. Listen to an English podcast while you walk. Read a short article before going to bed. Learn 5 new words every morning. Speak to yourself in English while cooking, driving, or getting ready for work. These small habits may not seem exciting, but together they create amazing results. One small habit repeated every day is much stronger than one big effort made only once. One of the biggest reasons people stop learning English is fear. They are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that someone will laugh at them or think they are not smart enough. But let me tell you something very important. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your best teacher. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls again and again, but never says, "Walking is not for me." The child stands up and tries again until walking becomes easy. Learning English follows the same path. Every mistake brings you one step closer to confidence. Another important habit is patience. Today, many people want quick results. They start learning English on Monday and hope to speak fluently by Friday. But learning any skill takes time. Think about planting a tree. You plant the seed today, but you do not expect a tall tree tomorrow. You water it, Give it sunlight and take care of it every day. Slowly, it grows stronger. Your English grows in exactly the same way. Some days you will notice big improvements, and some days you may feel that nothing has changed. Do not worry. Even when you cannot see the progress, your brain is still learning. Every day of practice matters.
Another habit that successful people have is consistency. They do not wait until they feel motivated. Some mornings they feel excited, while other mornings they feel tired. But they continue anyway because they know that habits are stronger than emotions. If you only practice English when you feel motivated, you will stop very quickly. Instead, decide on a simple daily routine. Practice at the same time every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes is enough if you stay consistent. Small daily actions may look unimportant, but after weeks and months, they create incredible results. Remember, consistency always beats perfection. Let me give you a simple plan that you can start today. Spend 5 minutes learning new vocabulary. Spend 5 minutes reading a short English paragraph aloud. Spend 5 minutes listening to native English speakers. Finally, spend 5 minutes speaking English, even if you are speaking to yourself. You can describe your room, talk about your day, or explain your future plans. This 20-minute routine is easy, simple, and powerful. If you repeat it every day for the next 3 months, you will notice better pronunciation, a larger vocabulary, stronger listening skills, and much greater confidence when speaking English. Now, imagine yourself 1 year from today. Imagine watching English movies without subtitles. Imagine speaking confidently during meetings, interviews, holidays, or conversations with friends from different countries. Imagine understanding podcasts, books, and videos without translating every sentence in your mind. This future is possible, but it starts with one decision. That decision is to build good habits today. Every successful English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is that they did not give up. They kept learning, kept practicing, and kept believing that they would improve.
As we come to the end of this video, I want you to remember one powerful sentence. Success is not something you find. Success is something you build every single day. Your habits shape your future. If you build the habit of practicing English daily, success will follow naturally. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Celebrate every new word you learn, every conversation you have, and every mistake that teaches you something new. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never stop learning. Your journey to English fluency begins with today's small habit. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.